Everyone, this is Hava from Hava Wellness. Today is a new day. What was yesterday? It was just a lesson. Today, we're going to create a better day. So let's put everything aside and give yourself just a few minutes. We're going to sip on some delicious water with lemon and a little bit maple syrup today and some cayenne to bring in circulation. And let's tap over our important meridians in the body. First, we're going to start working on the main meridians, which is heart, pericardium, and lungs. Let's open them. Let's start tap over those areas. Let's put the rings on the side. Let's start. You can close your eyes and let's begin. You should continue till you can tolerate the pain. If you start crying, stop. Now let's move to the other hand. Breathe in, breathe out. The pain, slow, whisper pain. Now let's do this way. From here, we go to this one. It's connected to our emotions. And for the last couple days, I feel that my body is asking to come here so much. So I'll just go with what the body is asking me. You can also do like this. Now let's go to the other hand. Get rid of those emotions. Now, by doing this exercise, where did you feel the most pain? This area where you felt the most needed your love. For a good health from Hava Wellness.